10 Best Cold Air Intake for 6.4 Hemi Ram 2500-2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 10. Dodge Ram 6.7L Cummins Cold Air Intake Kit. Ready to unleash the full potential of your 2007.5 to 2012 Dodge Ram 2500/3500 6.7L Cummins? Our cold air intake kit is engineered specifically for your truck, delivering a noticeable boost you'll instantly feel. Crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy and steel, this isn't just about power. It's built for superior corrosion resistance and lasting durability, mile after mile. By significantly improving airflow, your Cummins engine breathes better, translating directly into enhanced throttle response and increased horsepower, an impressive upgrade to your driving experience. Installation is a breeze, even for DIY enthusiasts, as we've included all necessary hardware and no special tools are required. Get ready for a more responsive, powerful Ram with our complete, durable intake solution. Number 9. K&N NextGen Cold Air Intake 19 to 24 Ram 1500. Ready to truly unleash your 2019 to 2024 Ram 1500? The K&N NextGen Cold Air Intake is engineered to deliver a guaranteed increase in horsepower and torque, providing an exhilarating engine roar during acceleration, yet remains drone-free at cruising speeds. Our innovative NextGen hybrid airbox, oversized filter, and large-diameter tube work in harmony to significantly improve airflow and lower intake temperatures, feeding your engine more fresh, clean air. Installation is remarkably simple with K&N's Quick Lock technology, getting you back on the road faster. Precision engineered for a perfect fit and a stunning underhood look, you're investing in K&N's legendary performance, backed by a no-hassle lifetime limited warranty. Elevate your Ram experience today. Number 8. K&N Ram 1500 Cold Air Intake, Performance and Towing. Ready to unlock the true potential of your Ram 1500? The K&N Cold Air Intake is your answer. We guarantee a significant boost in horsepower and torque, backed by trusted dyno results, so you'll feel the difference immediately. Experience quicker acceleration and improved uphill performance, especially when towing, making every journey smoother, whether daily driving or hauling heavy loads. Plus, you'll love the enhanced engine growl under acceleration, settling back to quieted speed. With premium engine protection that won't void your manufacturer warranty and a no-hassle lifetime limited warranty, you're investing in proven performance and peace of mind from a brand you can trust. Upgrade your Ram. Experience the power. Number 7. Amazon's Overall Pick. Ready to unleash your engine's true potential? Amazon's Overall Pick, the K&N NextGen Intake, guarantees a noticeable boost in horsepower and torque. Experience that thrilling engine roar during acceleration, all while enjoying a drone-free cruise. This isn't just about sound. Our advanced NextGen hybrid airbox, oversized filter, and C80-designed intake tube work in harmony to dramatically improve airflow, lower temperatures, and meticulously protect your engine from contaminants. You're investing in K&N's legendary 1969 heritage, proven through extensive testing. Installation is a breeze thanks to Quick Lock technology and minimal hardware, plus it beautifully enhances your engine bay. Backed by a no-hassle lifetime limited warranty that preserves your factory warranty, this is performance and peace of mind, proudly designed in the USA. Number 6. K&N Cold Air Intake, 2009 to 2021 Ram Performance and Towing. Unlock your 2009 to 2021 Ram's true potential with the K&N Cold Air Intake. Experience guaranteed, dyno-proven horsepower and torque gains, making heavy towing effortless and daily driving exhilarating. You'll immediately feel the difference, accompanied by a satisfying engine growl during acceleration that settles into quiet cruising. Our premium dry flow filter ensures superior engine protection for 50,000 miles, all without voiding your vehicle's warranty. Installation is a breeze, typically under an hour with basic tools. Proudly made in the USA and backed by a lifetime limited warranty, K&N delivers ultimate reliability and enhanced performance. Elevate your Ram experience today. Number 5. 2007 to 2012 Dodge Ram 6.7L Cummins Cold Air Intake. Ready to unlock your 2007.5 to 2012 Dodge Ram 6.7L Cummins true potential? Our premium cold air intake system is meticulously engineered to transform your driving experience. Designed specifically for your 2500/3500, this 4-inch CNC mandrel-bent aluminum intake ensures maximum, unrestricted airflow to your engine. Crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy and steel, it boasts exceptional corrosion resistance, guaranteeing lasting durability. Experience a noticeable boost in horsepower and a quicker, more responsive throttle, making every drive more exhilarating. But it's not just about power. You'll also enjoy improved fuel efficiency and contribute to a longer engine life for your Cummins. Plus, with the included high-flow filter, you'll see long-term savings on replacements. Upgrade today and truly feel the difference. Number 4. Sinister Diesel Ram Cummins 6.7L Cold Air Intake. Ready to truly unleash your Ram Cummins 6.7L? The Sinister Diesel Cold Air Intake is meticulously engineered to transform your truck's performance. You'll instantly appreciate the flawless installation thanks to our precision CNC mandrel-bent aluminum tubing, guaranteeing a perfect, hassle-free fit every time. Breathe new life into your engine with our oversized, long-lasting, reusable cotton-oiled filter media, designed for superior airflow and unmatched protection. Expect increased horsepower and torque that you can feel. Plus, it looks incredible, polished and powder-coated in our iconic Sinister blue, a true statement under your hood. Stop waiting for more power and style. Click Add to Cart now to get your Sinister diesel intake in a hurry. Number 3. Dodge Ram 6.7L Cummins Cold Air Intake Kit 2007.5 to 2012. Unleash the true potential of your 2007.5 to 2012 Dodge Ram 2500/3500 6.7L Cummins diesel with our performance-engineered cold air intake kit. This isn't just an upgrade, it's an awakening for your engine. Featuring a precisely CNC mandrel-bent 4-inch aluminum intake pipe, it's designed to deliver maximum, unrestricted airflow, unlocking significant gains in horsepower and sharpening throttle response. Crafted from premium, high-temperature and corrosion-resistant aluminum, and finished in a sleek, durable black, this complete kit is built for longevity and peak performance under any condition. Give your Cummins the clean, cold air it craves and experience the difference. Plus, drive with total peace of mind thanks to our included 1-year warranty. Number 2. 14 to 18 Ram 6.4L Cold Air Intake Kit. Ready to unleash the full potential of your 2014 to 2018 Ram 2500/3500 6.4L V8? This cold air intake kit is precisely engineered for your truck, delivering an immediate and noticeable performance upgrade. By optimizing airflow to draw in more cold, dense air, you'll experience significantly sharper throttle response and a thrilling surge in explosive horsepower output. We've made installation a breeze too. This comprehensive kit includes all necessary mounting hardware, vacuum hoses, and reducers. Everything you need is in the box, with no additional parts required. Plus, our high-quality, washable, and reusable air filter provides superior filtration and ensures long-term value. Transform your driving experience and give your Ram the power it deserves. Number 1. Ram 6.4L V8 Performance Cold Air Intake Kit. Ready to unlock the true potential of your 14 to 18 Ram 2500/3500 6.4L V8? This brand new performance cold air intake kit is your ticket to an exhilarating driving experience. By drawing in more cold, dense air, your engine will deliver a noticeable boost in throttle response and unleash higher, more explosive horsepower. Forget the hassle of piecing together parts. This kit is truly complete. You'll receive all necessary mounting hardware, vacuum hoses, and reducers, everything you need for a straightforward installation right out of the box. Plus, with its high-quality, washable, and reusable air filter, you're investing in long-term performance and value. Elevate your Ram's power and sound effortlessly. So, that sums up my 10 best cold air intake for 6.4 Hemi Ram 2500. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time, have a great